In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get special assess for Distrokid. The short answer is that there isn't a single magic button that unlocks everything at once. Instead, you combine a few legit options inside Distrokid and across the platforms your music lands on. I'll walk you through each one so you know exactly where to look and what to turn on. First, consider upgrading your plan. DistroKid offers different tiers, and higher tiers unlock more control and better tools. If you've ever wanted to set custom release dates, use your own label name, fine-tune metadata per release, or get deeper analytics, the upgraded plans are where those features live. Think about what you actually need. If you're releasing frequently, coordinating press, or managing multiple artists, stepping up a tier can save time and give you more precise control. You can compare what each plan includes on DistroKid's pricing page inside your account before committing. Next, head to the goodies or features section in your dashboard. This is where a lot of hidden power tools live. You'll see options like hyperfollow to capture pre-saves and grow your audience, splits to automate royalty sharing with collaborators, credits so everyone gets the recognition they deserve, store maximizer to expand where your music appears, and discovery tools designed to boost visibility. Explore each tool's description, toggle on what fits your strategy, and revisit this area regularly. DistroKid updates it over time. You can also enable optional add-ons for extra reach. Popular choices include YouTube Content ID to monetize matches of your music on YouTube, Store Maximizer to automatically deliver your releases to new stores as they're added, and Shazam and Siri Discovery Boosts to help listeners identify your tracks. These are paid upgrades, so review the costs and terms and choose the ones that match your goals and budget. Keep an eye out for early access and beta features. DistroKid occasionally rolls out experimental dashboards or new tools to a subset of users or announces them through emails and in-app notices. Make sure your email notifications are on, skim the newsletter when it arrives, and check your dashboard updates so you can try new features as soon as they appear. Finally, get verified on the streaming platforms themselves. Claim your profiles on Spotify for artists, Apple Music for artists, and convert your channel into a YouTube official artist channel. Verification unlocks analytics, playlist pitching tools, and artist-level controls that work hand-in-hand with DistroKid. The bottom line, there's no secret VIP switch. Your special access comes from your subscription plan, the add-ons you enable, the goodies you use, and your artist verification across platforms. Combine them, and you'll feel that upgrade.